Hello, everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining Tools Forever's IT Insight video on mastering the student rollover, overcoming IT department challenges. We are excited to guide you through this essential topic that impacts school IT departments everywhere. We all know that the start of a new school year brings unique challenges, especially when rolling over student data, permissions, and access for the next academic year. If your team has ever felt overwhelmed, exhausted, or stuck in a chaotic process during the rollover, you are certainly not alone. Let's start by understanding the core pain points that make the student rollover such a daunting task for IT departments. Every year, the rollover involves manually updating thousands of student records, from names and grades to classes and permissions. This process is slow, tedious, and prone to mistakes without adequate tools. A single data entry error can snowball into hours of extra work, creating a backlog that stresses your team and delays the entire process. Updating access permissions is another critical challenge. Every student's access must be adjusted based on their new grade level, class schedules, and extracurricular activities. Without streamlined processes, it's easy to make mistakes, granting access to restricted data or worse, denying students access to the resources they need. This can lead to significant disruptions in the classroom and even security risks. Many schools rely on outdated or generic software systems that weren't designed to handle the complexity and scale of student rollovers. These systems can slow down, crash, or fail to sync data accurately across platforms, leading to frustration and repeated work for the IT team. Most IT departments are already operating with limited staff and resources. The additional workload during rollovers, coupled with ongoing daily support tasks, can stretch your team to the breaking point, causing burnout and reducing overall productivity. Miscommunication between IT, administration, and teaching staff is another frequent issue. Last-minute changes, missing data, or unclear instructions can lead to confusion, mistakes, and a lack of coordination, all of which slow down the rollover process even more. These pain points don't just cause frustration. They impact your school's operations. Every error or delay adds hidden costs, from overtime pay for IT staff to potential investments in emergency fixes or additional software. Manual processes and errors mean wasted hours that could be spent on more strategic initiatives, like improving network security or supporting digital learning. Incorrect permissions or mishandled data can lead to breaches of privacy laws like FERPA or GDPR, resulting in potential legal issues or fines. So, how do we overcome these challenges and make the student rollover process as smooth and efficient as possible? Let's dive into some effective solutions that will help transform how your IT department handles this critical task. Invest in software specifically designed to manage large data sets with high reliability and speed. Scalable systems are built to handle the demands of mass data updates, ensuring that data is accurately synchronized across all platforms in real time, without crashes or slowdowns. Use software that offers custom scenarios for different user groups and override flags to skip processing for specific users as needed. This allows for flexibility in handling unique cases, such as new enrollments, special permissions, or students temporarily out of the system, without disrupting the overall process. Automation is key. Choose tools that automate data synchronization between systems, ensuring every change is instantly reflected across all platforms. This reduces manual work, eliminates errors, and keeps your systems up to date without constant oversight. Utilize role-based access controls or RBAC to standardize permissions based on grade levels or roles, simplifying updates and reducing security risks. With RBAC, you can quickly adjust permissions by group rather than individual, saving time and reducing errors. Develop clear communication channels and a detailed rollover plan, including timelines and responsibilities. Regular training sessions on new tools and processes ensure everyone is on the same page and prepared to handle the rollover smoothly. Schedule updates and changes during off hours or school breaks to minimize disruptions to students and staff. Always have a contingency plan in place to address any unexpected issues quickly. Now that you've seen the challenges and learned the solutions, it's time to take action. Don't let another rollover overwhelm your team or drain your resources. Adopting the right tools and strategies can streamline your process, reduce errors, and empower your team to focus on what matters most, supporting your school's educational mission. Ready to start your transformation? Contact us today to learn more about our solutions and how we can help you achieve a seamless, stress-free student rollover. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to helping you create a better, more efficient rollover experience. See you next time.